50 women from urban areas received their certificates, startup tools and business licenses from the local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla during a program in July after they successfully completed the skills training of self-employed tailor under MSS DS Skills Meghalaya. Prior to the ceremony, the trainees also showcased their work by displaying a variety of clothes designed by themselves. Addressing the gathering, Shilla expressed his happiness that the project is being implemented in letter and spirit, while urging recipients to make the most of what they have learned from this project.
Investment, iwa kesorkar keperluan kau ini, memang dengan negasinya siapa posisi siapa. But jika gua rapher, yang kini training yang diuji. Man benai, almost man benai dia empat training udah wine, gani udah close, ni pak. Man kapor empat training. Tang kali training ini care bani dua goal. Tok kali training tok ya nong chong nong hati urban area. Lagi hati teki how yang nong sor lagi municipal area.